Here's some simple tips to help you master proper form in lunges. Notice my feet are starting about hip width apart. So when you step your feet back into the lunge, notice that I'm keeping that same distance. Try to avoid moving the leg closer to the midline of the body. This is gonna cause instability and balance problems. Think about keeping your feet on a train track instead of a tightrope. When you're in the lunge portion of the movement, your back knee should be underneath your hip. Staying upright is gonna fatigue more of the quads. Hinging forward is gonna recruit more of the glutes. If you have knee pain in lunges, try leaning forward to activate more of the glutes and take some of the pressure off of the quads, which pull on the knee. To get yourself back up, instead of pressing through the back foot, press through the front heel to drive yourself up, back up to standing. It's really important to keep the heel of the front foot pressing firmly into the ground. That's where your power is gonna come from. And while you want the knee to be over the ankle, think about the weight of your body being centered between your feet. I'm pressing through the heel of my front foot and the ball of my back foot. If you don't put enough weight into the back foot, you're gonna start to lean over and lose your balance. If you put too much weight into the back foot, you'll notice my toes start to lift. Lower down as low as you can before standing back up. Follow for more tips and let me know of any questions.